Hi everyone, welcome to episode 3 of the Dewaxify series. My name's Sita, and I'm a clinical scientist at Dewaxify. So, this patient came in really struggling to hear. As you can see, the ear is completely blocked. And they've used
lots of olive oil to help soften the wax. And so you're seeing the wax coming out and into the tube rather than the standard wiggle and pull which I would normally do to remove harder wax. And here we have the eardrum nice and clear and in full visibility, so we know the sound is going down. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Dewaxify series episode 5. So I had accidentally stopped recording, so we missed that first chunk of wax being removed. But what we're seeing here is very, very dry skin. And some of that wax there is a bit soft, but as you can see when I start to remove it, it's sort of sticking to the sides, and it's that pale white colour. There we have some more soft wax just around the side. So at the beginning of the video you can see it's a complete wall, but it was a very thin wall, so it didn't go in too deep. It's fairly superficial. That skin's quite difficult to remove, and whilst it won't affect the hearing in any way, just get some forceps there. Gently hold on, and it's out. And here you can see the eardrum nice and clear. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Hi everyone, welcome to episode 7 of the Dewaxify series. Today we have a very blocked ear with quite stubborn dry earwax. We've put some oil in, which is why it looks a bit shiny, but it's actually quite solid. And I've sped up the video because it did take a while. So you can see it's just pulling it down from around the sides. That's it. A big solid lump. And again around from the sides, and then pulling it out from the middle. So you can see the light blue areas, that's the eardrum behind the wax. There we go, just pulling it all down, and the eardrum's beginning to be visible. Just a bit of a tidy up around the edges. There we go. Hi everyone, welcome to episode 8 of the Dewaxify series. Today I thought we could talk a bit about tinnitus. So tinnitus is when you hear a sound that's not in your environment. So it's a sound that only you can hear, and it can be a ringing, a buzzing. Some people hear a heartbeat. Some people hear the whooshing, or like they hear in the ocean. It doesn't matter what it is. If it's a noise that you're hearing that's not in the environment, it can be called tinnitus. And there's lots of causes of tinnitus, and lots of scary information online about it. But there are ways to manage it. And it's not always a permanent thing for everybody. There can be things that are causing it. For example, a blocked ear. And once we unblock it, it can get a lot better. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will talk more about tinnitus in the next video. Have a nice day.